Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by mounting and balancing your phone in portrait. Do this before powering the gimbal to avoid motor strain. Once the phone is clamped, center it left to right and tilt so the lens sits over the roll axis. Make sure counterweights or small adjustments eliminate major tilt. That reduces motor effort and smooth shots. After balance, power on and switch to portrait mode in the app or on the device so stabilization algorithms orient correctly for vertical framing. You now configure control response to suit portrait shooting. First, open the app and calibrate motors. Firmware updates fix drift. Then set joystick sensitivity and follow speed lower than in landscape so movements feel natural for vertical compositions. Adjust pan and tilt limits to prevent overshoot when stacking shots or using cages. Once done, practice transitions between 3-axis lock follow and POV so you know which mode maintains the subject in a tall frame and preserves horizon behavior. You begin recording with a composed vertical grid, framing the subject to take advantage of portrait aspect ratios. Record brief test clips and listen for motor noise or wobble. This verifies balance under motion. After shooting, power down before removing the phone to avoid motor strain. If you notice drift, jitter, or clipping, rebalance the payload, recalibrate motors, reduce extra attachments, and ensure firmware matches your device. This single troubleshooting sequence resolves most portrait mode stabilization issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.